Hey there everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Jen. I'm Jen. Usually I like to go get a Blizzard or a McFlurry, but I don't feel like going out, so I'm gonna make my own. And Shelby would like a little sweet treat herself.
Hello.
Alright, so what I have done, I happen to have some Milky Way candy bars. And what I did is I cut them into little bits and I stuck them in the freezer, so that they're nice and hard, and it's gonna help with making our blizzard, because this is gonna be a sweet treat that can't be beat. So I'm gonna use vanilla ice cream. And in my little magic bullet, I'm gonna fill it with my vanilla ice cream, and you can use any ice cream you like. All I'm gonna do is I'm going to add my little bits in here, and you can add as much as you want. As much or as little as you like. I like a lot. You can also add a little chocolate syrup, a little hot fudge, whatever tickles your fancy. You're gonna pop that lid on your magic bullet. You're gonna mix away.
Pop that.
Now obviously this is just a serving for one. So you want to make sure your ice cream stays thick a little bit, but it mixes that Milky Way up in there. And because our little bits are small, it makes it blend that much easier. So now it's time to try our sweet treat. Delicious. Shelby, I'm going to let Shelby try this. Unfortunately, Prince cannot. Do you want to try, or you want me to just put it up, Shelby?
I want to try it now.
Okay. All right, Shelby, let's see how you like this sweet treat.
A nice sweet treat that can't be beat.
Ready? So there you have it, guys. 10 out of 10. We're going to keep eating this again. So before I leave you today to finish my sweet treat, I just want to remind you again, you're watching Cooking with Jen. Be kind and subscribe.
Shake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Right? It's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours.